On today's episode, we're going to do some keto cooking. I picked one of my favorite recipes, and it's my favorite because it's easy, it's inexpensive, the macros are perfect, and it is delicious. One of my favorite. So let's get cooking. Hi, I'm Steve, and you're watching Keto Stevo. We have Jimmy Dean fully cooked original sausage. You're going to use the whole package. We have some mild cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. If you want mozzarella, that's fine too. And a 10-ounce package of frozen leaf spinach. And that's it. We aren't even going to use all the cheese. I use half the cheese, so it's 1 cup. If you want more cheese, just throw in the whole bag. It makes it that much easier. And we're also going to use a little bit of avocado oil, just to add a little bit of fat and to help our sausage get nice and cooked. And then I like to put a little Caribbean jerk on mine, just to give it a little extra kick. It's up to you. Everything's prepped and ready to go, just like in real life. So we're going to take the spinach, we're going to throw that in the microwave for about 6 minutes. There's a couple teaspoons of water in there to help it cook. Then we're going to throw the sausage in a skillet with a little bit of almond oil and let that heat up, mix it all together, and then have us some keto cooking. All right, so we've got everything prepped and we're ready to get started. We've got a skillet heating up. It's about medium heat, a little bit of avocado oil. Add a little bit of fat. Now we're going to throw in our sausage. I'm just going to let that heat up. Oh yeah, I love the sound of sausage sizzling. That smells so good. Ugh. So we're just going to heat this up for another 30 seconds or so. Make sure we get that avocado oil scattered all over. All right, now we're going to dump in our spinach. And give it a good mix. And I usually try to buy chopped frozen spinach. This is leaf spinach. The chopped spinach mixes up a little bit better than this leaf spinach does. But nothing a good spatula won't take care of. All right, that's looking pretty good. So now we'll drop in our cheddar cheese. And again, you can use whatever cheese you want, mozzarella, blue cheese, cheddar cheese. You can put as much as you want. I use just a cup because I'm trying to stay away from as much dairy as I can, plus a cheese adds a few more carbs than I want to go for right now. I'm trying to go ultra low on carbs eventually. But sausage, good. Almost no carbs. Protein and fat, good macro numbers. And trust me, this is so delicious. All right, so I think we're going to call that finished. Now let's plate it and make our leftovers. So the beauty of this meal is that you make the meal once and you've got your meal for the night and leftovers to have whenever you want them. So if you make this like I described, and it'll be in the comments down below, you take about 1 cup and that'll fill up your plate, and 2 leftover bowls with equal servings of about 1 cup. And I'll also list the macros, the calories, if anybody's interested in calories. I'm not really. Just the macros. This is so easy, and now you've got 2 more meals. So now we're just going to seal up our leftovers, put those in the fridge. They're ready for a couple more days. It's not going to get garnish, it's just going to get eaten. All right, we're finished. That's it. We've got our dinner ready to go. We've got 2 sets of leftovers all set that are going to go in the fridge for another couple of nights. I've got my Caribbean jerk spice that I'm going to throw on. I just like my food a little bit with a little extra kick. And I've got my water with my vitamins and minerals in there. And I am ready. You're going to love this. I have all the details in the description. I'm going to eat. See y'all next time. Enjoy.